Welcome this video. Privacy fence idea for your backyard. Style solve for peace. Create a provide backyard space is a top for main homeowner. Those how various place relaxment and the break for the outside world. Whether you want to keep eyes out, reduce noise, or simple mark your property boundary, a well designed provide fence can add both functional and aesthetic appeal to your outdoor space. We explored various provide fans idea for traditional wood to modern alternate arts so you can choose for perfect solved for your backyard. Provide fence material. A fence sub purple security is determinant solved and provide a boundary to perfect chilled and palette provide its shade you backyard for nice neighborhood and still view aesthetic enhancement. Walk the right design. A fence can complement your landscape. Boast curb aesthetic. Noise rate. A solid fence can help much traffic to neighborhood sound would bring its can attach to bring window complement in outdoor setting a due area. Fan to consider before install the fence. Before divide into the design area. Budget material for whole choose very white. Metal durable choose the a that sub your metaling minimalities main interest need so material like wood need regulated keep up while other for like and more hold complete with height regulated appear regulated install mode. Now explore some of the most popular and style provide fence for your backyard. Classic wood provide fence would remain one of the most popular fence material due to its natural and versatile. A classic vibrant board fence often 6 feet tall provide full provide and aesthetic customization in height, wide and still color, both natural into gardening landscape, can be enhanced with rolling or climax plants.